Good morning, and it is Friday the 20th and we're off to the Sydney Fireworks, but we have to start our day off right with crumpets, some delicious honey on it. Boom. Just filming on my phone now because my camera's all packed in my bag. It is 3:25 in the morning and we're off to the airport, which is an hour and a half drive. Let's get out of here.
Expo time. Me and Lance just got to the hotel. Can't check in till 2. So now he's got my Zooey crane. That's it. We're not going to assemble it just yet. It's going to take too long. We're going to go find a Coles and get some monsters, because that's what we do. Except Lance is prepping for the show tomorrow. And he can't have anything. So when's your next meal?
In half an hour.
Half an hour. You got what?
Jasmine, rice, and a bit of chicken.
Yum, yum. I wish my diet was that simple. So here we are in Sydney anyway.
Chuck that in for like a minute and a half, 90 seconds.
Lifesavers.
Yeah, it's fine.
Are you heating up tuna? You're disgusting. Well, Lance has got his wish. He got his food heated up, and now he can stick to his diet because of these lovely ladies. Haven't even opened shop yet, but we're going to make our way to the Sofitel Hotel and meet up with the Musclepharm crew and get our tickets to get in, and the expo is in 2 hours. Then we'll be in there. Day 2, here at the Musclepharm booth. We're going to freshen this up. As soon as Christian gets here, we're going to be absolutely hammered. So prep ourselves. We've got the ICM show happening as well. So go Lance, your fitness modeling. But it's going to be a full-on day. Let's get into it.
Let's go!